if no transfer of ownership, no? What if dili mapasay mo ang property? Wow. No? So, in this case, uh, unsa tong gamiton sa pag-depreciate sa property? Will it be the lease term or the useful life of machine? So, nasa standard, whichever is shorter. So, for this example, sa lease term is mas gamay kang useful life of machine. So, therefore, si 4 years or si less term, ato ang gamiton pag depreciate sa property. Okay, the following data for this, January 1, again, January 1, ang less transaction nga naitabo, the less arrangement is January 1. Now, the fixed rental payment at the end of each year, again, PV of ordinary annuity, which is 3 million ang imong gibayad. And then, wait, nanon din ha, nakabutang sales term and si useful life. Now, implicit interest rate is 10%. Ang PV of ordinary annuity for 4 period at 10%, 3.16987. Na PV of 1, 0.683. So again, this is residual value guaranteed. Dili siya certain purchase option, and again, no transfer of ownership. So, Chris company has guaranteed nga na ay 600,000 residual value, no, or salvage value at the end of the S term. Okay. So, para pagkuha na to sa ROU or right of use asset, so simply, just the present value of the less payments and the present value of the residual value. Mura na siya. Okay? Mura na mong gamiton. So, again, ordinary annuity for the 3 million, of course, because every year magbayad, every December 31, every year. Times 3.16987, so 9.509. Ganong kailangan to a present value, si residual value? Because in this concept, sa Chris company, naging siya ni lesser, dili na maubos sa 600,000 ang value sa asset at the end of the lease term. So, what if niubos siya? So, na potential nga kailangan mo bayad si Chris. That is why kailangan nato i-present value si residual value. So, since ika-isa ra ni may tabo, PV of 1 ang atong gamiton. So, no? PV of ordinary annuity 3.16, PV of 1 is 6.83. Now, ang result, no? I-plus lang nato, so that will be our total cost of our right of use asset and less liability, which is 9.9. So that is for our January 1, no? January 1 is January 1 transaction. Now, for December 31, 2025. Again, of course, nagin na depreciation permente. Now, since wala transfer of ownership, walay may na purchase option is not certain, ang atong gamiton na year, of course, whichever is shorter. So, shorter sales term, which is 4 years. So, 4 years lang atong gamiton. So, again, no? Minus ato sa residual value, divide sa 4, every year na depreciation expense nga 2.329. Okay. Of course, again, implicit interest na interest. Atong gibayad is 3 million but naay part sa 3 million nga na interest expense. So, amortization, nagbuhat lang ta amortization, 9.9 times the 10%, I believe. 10% ang implicit rate. 10%, yes. Times 10%, that will be our interest expense. Nga 991,410. So, minus ato siya sa payment yun na to, 3 million minus the interest expense equals the less liability. Okay. Ano? So at the end, no, gibalik ka na to ang asset kang lessor. So in this case, the accumulated depreciation nang i-times lang nato na siya. Okay, nang i-times lang nato pero na naman na actually na kung i-minus nimo si 9.9 minus 600k mo na ni siya. Actually mo na ni siya. Mo na siya accumulated depreciation. Or kung gusto ninyo, adi i-times na lang ni si si 2,000 2 million 2.3 i-times na siya sa 4 mo yan pa naman bukas. Same ra. And then the less liability, the residual value, no? Pila ang residual value? 600,000. And then gibalik na to ang asset. Actually ma-equal ra ni siya, no? Since no, sakto ra gid, as in like pila mo pag rent nimo pagbalik, di ba? Walay complication since walay transfer of ownership. Like mura ra gid ka nagrenta ra gyud, no? Like, normally mura normal nga rent. Oh, something nga na agad siya. That is why simple na siya, simple kayo. Nabutang ninyo accumulated depreciation, butang ninyong less liability, it's the residual value. Wala na yan, no? Right of use asset, no? Nawala na. Okay, no? Start sa paano right of use asset is 9.19. As you can see, this is the residual value. The value of the asset at the end of the lease term, 600,000. So, balik ninyo. 600,000. This is the residual value. 600,000, 600,000. And then the 9.9. So, dali ra. Dali ra ni siya, guys.